7 to the power 2 gives us 49. 49 minus 7 gives us 42. 42 divided by 7 gives us 6. And 6 times 2 gives us 12. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have multiple operators present. We have division, multiplication, subtraction, and exponent present too. According to the rules, exponent has higher priority. There's no parenthesis present in this expression, so the top priority we have available is exponent. So we must solve this part first. So 7 to the power 2, that gives us 49, and our expression simplifies to 49 minus 7 divided by 7 times 2. Now we have subtraction, division, and multiplication operators present here. According to the rule, subtraction is lower priority than multiplication and division, so we need to solve multiplication and division first, but we must work from left to right. So on the left side we have division, so let's solve this division first. 7 divided by 7, that equals 1. Our expression simplifies to 49 minus 1 times 2. And now we have two operators present in this expression, multiplication and subtraction, and we all know that multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So 1 times 2, that gives us 2, and 49 minus 2, that gives us 47, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.